Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily set up Starlink. So first, what you guys need to do is download the Starlink app from your Google Play or the App Store. Now make sure to open the app now. Here what we need to do is simply click on Start Setup, and here we need to select our kit. As you guys can see, we have Standard, Activated, Mini, Enterprise, High, Flat Performance, Standard Circular, and High Performance. So here you have many of those kits to choose. Now make sure to choose the right one. So for me it's Standard. Now let me click Confirm. Here we need to find a clear view of the sky. Our Starlink needs to be outdoors, so it has a clear view to the satellites. So now what you can do is basically click to check for obstructions and make sure that everything is a clear view in the app. So after you're done, simply click I have a clear view. Now here we need to mount our Starlink for the best experience. So here you can also use a kickstand or you can simply mount it. So let me click on mount is installed, and now make sure that your Starlink is plugged in with the router to the power. So now click my Starlink is plugged in, and now click continue. Here as you guys can see it's booting, and what it basically does is it's searching for alignments and the satellites. So now what you guys can do is simply just wait, because you can do anything else. So after that your Starlink will be ready to go. So thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.